Today on World Famous Foods, teriyaki beef with vegetables. Let's cook. We have our beef, nice and sliced. Now we're going to just add our teriyaki sauce to this. We're going to let this marinate for about an hour. Okay, time to do our veggies first. Fry these for a couple minutes. Okay, we're going to take our veggies out. Okay, we're going to put some oil. We're using peanut oil today. Now we're going to fry our beef. Okay, now we're going to add our teriyaki sauce. Only if you guys can smell this, my goodness. Now we're going to add our vegetables back to the mix. Now turn our heat down to medium. Let this cook for a couple minutes. Okay folks, here we have it. Teriyaki beef and vegetables, world famous style. Look at this. Time to enjoy. Alright, so it's time to enjoy this with some jasmine rice. Look at this. World famous foods.